The pilot project announced by the Karnataka government on Saturday, which involved spraying organic antimicrobial solution in the air in a bid to mitigate the spread of COVID-19, has been put on hold after environmental and health concerns were raised by the city's civic body. The pilot project was to be carried out from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. for 3 days starting from Monday by American Champion Scout aircraft carrying around 100 liters of organic antimicrobial solution to spray over congested areas such as Shivaji Nagar, City Market and Majestic. The Karnataka government on Monday revised its priority list for COVID vaccination by adding 4 more categories, including students going to foreign countries for their studies, workers of milk cooperative societies, cable operators, and people going to other countries for employment. Mission June campaign is a massive vaccination campaign that aims to inoculate over 1 crore people in the state against COVID-19 in the next 30 days, claiming that they have a sufficient amount of vaccine vials available to meet the target. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath aims to vaccinate 1 crore people in the month of June. Rescue operations were underway on Tuesday to trace at least 5 migrant workers from Assam and Tripura who were trapped inside a rat hole coal mine in Meghalaya's East Janita district, officials said. One suspect has been detained, but he has tested positive for COVID-19 and is currently undergoing quarantine at a government facility. As per the state government, 4 migrant laborers from Assam and 1 from Tripura are trapped in the mine. Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank has been admitted to All India Institute of Medical Sciences due to post-COVID complications, the Education Ministry had informed. He was taken to the hospital around 11:30 a.m. and is admitted in a private ward. Pokhriyal had contracted the coronavirus in April. With all lockdown measures set to come to an end in Britain on June 21st, warnings have been issued that the United Kingdom may be experiencing the start of the COVID-19 third wave. Experts say that since vaccination had covered a large amount of the population in the UK, the emergence of the third wave might take longer than the previous ones.